Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, what is the day today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. And what is the date today? Today is 19th April 2021. Okay. So, children, today's our subject is English and the topic is letter A. Today we will learn about letter A. So children, first of all we will see the pictures related to the letter A. Okay. So I will show you some pictures. So children, look at here. Here the letter A. So this is capital A and this is small a. Capital letter A and small letter A. Okay. So let's see. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. A for alligator. And A for apple. A for apple and A for ant. Okay children, and what is the sound of A? Yes, A. The sound of A is A. A aeroplane, A alligator, A apple and A ant. Okay children. So children, now we will take our English notebook. So children, this is your English notebook. Okay. So you have to mention today's date. Today is 19th April 2021. So you have to write like this A and you have to draw an apple. Okay. Then to create a letter A, you will use a slanting line. We have already learned about slanting line. Okay. So this is right slant and this is left slant. Okay. So you have already learned about right slant and left slant. So children, now let's make letter A. So starting from the top red line. Okay. Top red line. Then this side is a right side. So you have to use right slant. Right slant. Okay. So starting from the top red line, then bring your pencil down till the second blue line. आपको रेड लाइन से यहाँ सेकंड जो ब्लू लाइन है, फर्स्ट और सेकंड ब्लू लाइन तक यहाँ पर आपको स्टॉप करना है. देन यूज द लेफ्ट साइड स्लैंट. ओके. सो लाइक दिस. Yes. Okay. So you have to draw like this. This is right slant and this is left slant. Okay. Then draw a small slipping line between the two slant line. Okay. You have to draw a small slipping line like this. So children, this way the letter A will be made. Okay, let's do it again. So you have to draw a right slant, then left slant and small slipping line between the two slanting line. Okay, इन दोनों स्लैंट लाइन के बीच में आपको एक छोटी सी स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी है. तो हमारा लेटर ए बन गया. बहुत ईजी है. So you have to write from the top red line because we have two red line na, on the top and on the bottom. So you have to write top red line, then stop on the second blue line. Okay, then this is a right slanting line and this is a left slanting line, and we will draw a sleeping line. So children, you have to do this work in your English notebook, okay, and do page number 2020 in your literacy book, okay, pre-writing pattern. So you have to write like this, okay. Do page number 20 in your literacy book, okay children. So you have to do this work and take a pic and share with me, okay children. So bye bye and take care. So these are your homework in your book to page number 20, and in your notebook you have to write letter A like this, okay children. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day.